Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce and show you how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is a great tool to integrate learning and technology into the classroom. Kahoot brings the learning game experience into the online digital world by essentially creating your own trivia game that students can use to help with their own studies. How I would use Kahoot in my future classroom would be by setting up a Kahoot game before a big test as a sort of study review. So, for example, if the test is on U.S. History 1 presidents, I would incorporate the Kahoot game based on the presidents, and then I would do this for every future test as one last study review before an exam day. Now we're going to get into how Kahoot works. All right, so Kahoot is a really cool game-based learning tool. So I'm going to get into how we could use it. We're going to hit create here, and then we're going to hit this one, hit Kahoot, and then we're just going to type our questions. Let's say I'm just going to put random stuff here. Which baseball team is located in Maryland? And you just throw your answers here. You got the Blue Jays. The correct answer here: Orioles, Yankees, Red Sox. We'll mark the one that's the correct choice. Then we'll add another question. And then we'll just keep adding questions. We'll do what is the formula for the area of a rectangle? Obvious answer is length times width, height times length, surface times width, and then 3 choices will suffice. Go on and add another question. True and false here. Our president of the USA is Joe Biden. Obvious answer is true. Add another question. Let's see, we'll throw another true and false in there. Let's see. Our 35th president was JFK. Answer is true. And this is how I would use Kahoot. Basically, just create questions off of whatever content that you want to teach. Obviously, if you're a science teacher and the test was on biology, then you would incorporate biology questions into this. If you're a math teacher and you're trying to maybe have a test on formulas such as area of a rectangle, square, circle, or circumference or perimeter, then you incorporate questions based on that, and so on and so forth. All right, so I'm going to show you a Kahoot that one of my science professors used for in class. This is in practice mode. Type my name here. We're going to go. It's 20 questions. What type of wave can move through a vacuum? I believe those are mechanical waves. Nope. Looks like I'm going to need a little help on this. We'll hit next here. Now you can see a scoreboard here. Shima got it correct. Nancy got it correct, but she was a little slower. So therefore, she didn't get enough, the max amount of points. And then me and 2 others got it incorrect. So we're at 0. Got that one. So I got 957 points there. So that puts me at, now I'm in 3rd place. So while the kids play this, it kind of gives a little competitive edge, which would entice kids more to want to answer correctly. And it's just a fun game. To the following is a vector, velocity vector. All right. Now I'm in second place. So if I was a kid right now, if I was in second place, I'd obviously want to be first. And you could obviously give some incentives to these children, like first place gets 8 extra credit points, while second place gets 5 extra credit points on the next test. It would allow the kids to want to try harder and play more, and then thus learning more. I believe this one's a series circuit. Yep. First place. I did positive work. I believe this one is a cup of water. No, a hot tub filled with water. That sets me back. Still in first place though. This would be conduction. Temperature. This empty. Red. Blue. Should have gotten that one. All right, still in first place here. Fraction. Got this one. There we go. This is going to be normal force. So you get the idea of how this works now. Basically, it's just like a trivia game. It's going to help kids pick up on learning, learn things faster while giving it a fun edge to it. We'll do one more here. This one's going to be amplitude. Yes. All right. And that's how you use Kahoot.